Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores.com. Today we are looking at another key metric from the liquidity category, the volume over market cap ratio. And this one takes the 24-hour trading volume and divides it by the project's market cap, and it's a great way to instantly spot whether trading activity is healthy, exceptional, or dangerously low for a given project. So what does this ratio tell you? Volume alone is useful, of course, but it doesn't give you the full picture. A project with $50 million in daily volume sounds decent, but if its market cap is 50 billion, that's actually very quiet. On the other hand, 50 million in volume on a $500 million project, that's extremely active and attractive. The volume over market cap ratio normalizes everything. It tells you, relative to the size of a project, how much is actually being traded. And CryptoScores makes it even easier with a color-coded system. No color means normal, healthy activity. Green means the volume is exceptionally high relative to the market cap, the project is seeing serious action, and red means the volume is abnormally low and a kind of a warning sign that the market around this token might be dead. So let's take a look at Solana. So we click to liquidity score and we go check the volume per market cap. 5.3%. No special color, just normal. And that makes sense. Solana is a massive project, billions in market cap, billions in daily volume. The ratio is balanced. There is consistent organic trading activity proportional to the project's size. So this is what a healthy mature market looks like. Nothing flashy, just steady and reliable. But now let's take a look at Bitensor and Tau. Here the liquidity score is pretty good, 96 over 100, and the volume per market cap is more than 15%. And you will notice it's highlighted in green. That means the trading activity is significantly higher than what you'll normally expect for a project of this size. There is a strong interest, high demand, and lots of movement. This can happen for several reasons. Maybe there is a narrative building around the project, so of course the artificial intelligence, a new partnership, a listing on a major exchange, or simply growing attention from the market. Whatever the cause, green on this ratio tells you this is an active market with strong momentum right now. And for traders, that's opportunity. For investors, it's a sign that the market is paying attention. So now let's take at a completely other project like Varus with a very low liquidity score at 1 over 100 and a volume per market cap at 0.0021% in red, clearly. And we have already seen why in the previous tutorial. Daily volume is just $1,247 on a $59 million market cap. The ratio makes it crystal clear. Virtually nobody is trading this token relative to its size. So when you see red on this metric, it's telling you one thing: be very careful. The market cap might say 59 million or more or less, but if the volume says only $1,000, the real liquidity is almost non-existent, and you might not be able to sell when you want to, at the price you want. That disconnect between valuation and activity is exactly what this ratio is designed to catch. So how do you use this? Think of the color codes as traffic light. No color, you're good, keep going. Green, the road is wide open, there's momentum. Take a closer look. Red, stop and think twice before committing your money. And as always on CryptoScores, use this as your starting point. Combine it with the raw volume number, the liquidity score, and your own research. CryptoScores give you the signals, but you are the one making the call. The volume over market cap ratio, one number, one color, and you instantly know if a project's market is alive or asleep. Check it on CryptoScores.com and we will see you in the next one.